Pick any pastry from Quincy Bake Shop. One bite takes you somewhere else.
Quincy Bake Shop is a little slice of Europe, honestly. It's a little slice of Europe in Oklahoma.
Trisha O'Donoghue is the pastry chef and owner. She named her bakery Quincy after her favorite train stop in Chicago, where she went to French pastry school. She brought her talents and the art of baking home to Oklahoma City.
My love is viennoiserie, which is a French word for like breakfast pastry. So not just like muffins, but like the croissants, the danishes, the QUIN. That's one passion, and then also cake decorating has always been my forte. My hands do that very well.
She and her team spend hours perfecting the recipes. Every delicious item is made from scratch, by hand. The croissants that include the chocolate version take 2 days to make.
It's delicious. It's just a standard. Also, our almond croissant is delightful. It's like crispy on the outside, it's sweet on the inside. And then also one thing that you can only get at the Bradford House is the cardamom belar, which is a Swedish cardamom bun. And it is like a knot of dough, just like jam-packed with cardamom, filled with a buttery cardamom filling.
And then the bun is, this is actually my favorite. Just the outside, it's a little crispy on the outside, has some good flavor to it. And then the center is just a little bit softer and has a little bit of moistness to it. So yeah, I really like that.
Yeah, amazing. Yeah, best I've had in the city, I think.
The Quincy Bake Shop is located right inside of the Bradford House, a boutique hotel at 38th and Classen in Oklahoma City. The pastries here are becoming a favorite, as well as in local coffee houses and other venues.
You can find our stuff in Prelude Coffee and Not Your Average Joe's, Junction Coffee Bus, and then On Crew in Nichols Hills does our pastries on the weekend. We do wholesale as well, and we're just going to keep growing, and hopefully we'll do our own brick and mortar in the next year or two.
Her popular pastries sell fast before the end of the day. There's no secret to her recipes, just a passion for baking.
Lots of butter. No, I mean, it is a lot of butter and it's a lot of flour. It's a lot of consistency. You know, consistency is key in anything, but with pastry and baking, I mean, you really have to do the same thing with your hands every time, and you have to plan. This is what I do. This is what I will always do. I want to teach people and show people and bring that love of pastry to Oklahoma City.
In Oklahoma City, QUIN TRAN, Discover Oklahoma.